Good day to you. Welcome back to Shed Wars on Eco-Centric Homestead. I was informed that I have my required 12 videos out for Shed Wars, but I can't very well leave you hanging now, can I? There's still seeds to collect. This video will be shorter, but necessary, and you've probably seen that bug on the screen just then. Just making a note here that if the mustard don't die back, they'll keep flowering. They'll flower right up to frost. And if they flower early enough, you'll get more seeds later on. But those are not going to come to anything right now. You see how the seeds are turning brown here? Now they may be mature, but we wait until this all turns brown all the way back to the center here. Down here you see this one is turning brown. It's not all the way back yet, but this one is getting close to being ready. Doesn't look like we're going to get any beet seed. You see, this is still in the flowering stage. And it's September the 27th, so we're not going to get any beet seed this year. Interestingly enough, the beet on the bottom continued to grow. Now that one is there. This one over here didn't even send up a flower stalk. The beet, however, continued to grow, and he's huge now. I'm going to take them in and cook them and see how they turn out. So what we need to look at is lettuce. Now this is the red lettuce. So you remember the yellow flower opens up, then it closes, and then it'll open up in this tuft. This is as far as it opens. So it doesn't open right into a ball like dandelions do. But they open up this far. Now let's see if they'll... Yeah, the seeds came out with it. So on this variety, you see the seeds are tan color. So that's the seeds there, and then the little parachutes that lets it blow around on the wind. So when the whites are showing, you can come and get your seeds. Or just let them blow around and self-seed like we've been saying. So when we come to here, you see this one's still yellow, this one's not ready. This one here, you see the white sticking out the top? You have to wait until that, at least till that white is sticking out the top before you harvest the seeds. That one went brown, but you remember on the other plant, it didn't actually go brown, it just opened up when it was still green, so I don't know why that one's brown. Just trying to decide which one to take now. We'll take this one right here. Sit you down because I have to operate on this one. Here we go, all along the bottom. See, the seeds are quite dark in this variety. And there they are. So, like I said, you have to wait until at least it's putting out that little white parachute thing that is going to eventually blow in the wind before you harvest your lettuce seeds. This is a head from the red variety. Let's see. how many seeds we get. Okay, so from the one little tiny flower head, and there's many flower heads on the plant, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I have 19 seeds there from that one little tiny flower head. And as I said, there's many flower heads on each plant. So since the beets are not going to give us any seed, I guess the only seed left that we're waiting for now is the carrots. There is that one bunch that's almost ready, so maybe in another week, maybe 2 weeks. Carrots can survive down to -4 Celsius, so they do have quite a while for them to mature the seeds. Not all of them will be mature, because you probably noticed that some of the flower bunches are still actually out in flower, and it takes a while then for them to curve back in and mature. So I won't get seeds from every bunch, but I'll get seeds from a lot of those bunches of flowers. And I guess that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button. If you're not subscribed and want to follow along, make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you in the next video.